Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I will teach you how to use Excel to generate a chart for your presentation. Now we have a scenario where Danish have received some of the data for the number of items, orders, and we need to create a virtual chart. Now we will use Excel. Now open your Excel and click on the blank workbook. First thing first, you can choose anywhere you want, and I will choose B2 to start it. Now type order ID based on the data that has been given to you. And we have 30 orders. So to make it easier, type 1 and drag it 30 for 30 boxes. Now you have an option called autofill option. Choose fill cities. And now you have it, a full complete ID. So to make it easier, highlight all of it and you may change the fonts based on what you want. I'm gonna keep it to Calendar, but I'm gonna change the size to 40. And I will make it a little bit better by choosing the middle one and center. Repeat the process for the remaining data. Now, after you finish transferring the data, you can change the size of the cell to make much more bigger for each of them. So for payment method and the quantity, I'm gonna drag it a little bit to make it a little bit much better, and it looks much more better now. Now you can highlight all the ID all the way to down a bit and choose all borders. And now you have it, a beautiful border. You can change the type of line style based on your preference. But I'm going to keep it here. Now, to make this table look much more beautiful and engaging to the viewer, you can highlight all of it, click Insert, choose Table, and make sure you tick My Table as Headers. And now you have it, a beautiful design. You can change the table style based on what you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Now, for the price option, you can see that it's not in a currency style. Let's move this. Highlight all of it, all the way to the bottom. And now go to the home tab. Instead of general, choose currency. And now you have it. A much better version for price. Now I've added one of the cell called revenue. So for this revenue, I'm gonna choose the option by using a formula. Now you can start the formula by writing equals to and choose price times, which is the star, with the quantity, and you got the first revenue. So drag all of these to the bottom, and now you have it. You have all of the revenue for each order ID. Based on this revenue, we can make a revenue summary. So first thing first, go to the file, click option, click add-ins. You see this manage option, click go, and make sure that you click on analysis tool. Click OK, and immediately go to the data. You will see a new option called data analysis. Click on it. Make sure you choose the descriptive and statistic. For the input range, make sure you put the numeric value. So for this, I'm going to choose the first revenue till the end of the revenue. And for the output range, I will choose M2 as my output. So click on the summary statistic and click OK. And now you have it. You got the all of the data that is required. And you can change the title here. So I'm going to change it to summary for revenue. For the pivot table, click on the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table from Table Orange. Now, for the table, we are going to choose all of the table that we have been created. and click on existing worksheet, and I'm gonna choose M19 here. Then click OK, and you will see a blank pivot table. So the pivot table is used to separate the important information that we are going to use to generate our chart. So I will choose date. I'm gonna put it on rows, and I'm gonna choose only month's date. I don't want the days and the date. I only use the month's date. We choose the city first, and then a payment method as well as the manager. So for the values, so click drag the sum of the quantity as well as sum of revenue under the values option. And now you have it. Now, after done with the pivot table, highlight all of it, go to the insert tab and click on recommended chart. The Excel will give you the best chart that is suitable based on your data. So for me, it has recommended me to use column chart, but because of the timeline, I think I'm a prefer combo, which is the combination of line and column chart. So I'm gonna choose this one and click on OK, and there you have it, a table that represent your data. You can filter based on your preferences, based on the month, city, payment method, as well as the specific manager. So you can also add some of the chart elements that you think you want to add. So for me, I'm gonna add axis title. So as well as the chart title. For data labels, you can also add it, but it will be a little bit messy. So you can choose some of the option, maybe the center, inside and inside base, outside and data call out, and more option based on your preferences. But for me, I will not choose the data labels because it will make it a little bit hard to understand it. You can maybe choose the data chart to make it easier for you to understand. And you can choose the preference whether with a legend keys or no legend keys. So for me, I think I'm gonna keep it here. So for the axis title, I will change it to months. For chart title, I will change it to the data summary. And there you have it, a beautiful graph based on your preferences. You can also change the type of it based on this style. You can choose whether this one, whether the style 3, style 6, style 7, or maybe make a style 8, which is much more 3D. But I think I'm gonna choose this one, style 6, to make it a little bit more compact. So make it a little bit more bigger, and there you have it, a beautiful data. Okay, for this axis, I'm gonna change it to the quantity. For this one, I'm gonna change it to revenue. So that is how you make your data in a chart form, and for the revenue summary. We need to save our file. Click on save and change the file name to your preferences. For me, I'm gonna change it to data analysis 1. Choose the location. I'm gonna keep it to document and click on save. And now you have it, the end of data that you can prepare and show it to your client. So I hope this video will help you out in future, especially for the using of Excel. Share it with your fellow friends as well as your relatives. Hope this video helps you in future. Assalamualaikum.